Cheers.
Cheers. This is a very skinny road for all this traffic. So we're on our way to the Nellie E Saloon, the desert bar. There is tons of traffic on this skinny little road coming and going, but we're gonna find our way. Yeah, it is that way! Well, look at these good Samaritans making sure we can find the bar. Woohoo!
I think so. They beat.
1,000 people there, all on ATVs and four-wheelers and shit.
You realize coming back we're gonna be along that shitty edge?
Yeah.
Watch it in! That one? That one? Yeah! Hell no! Oh yes we are! How do you think we're gonna be on that side of the road?
Well,
Yeehaw! This road is like riding on a horse! Is this seriously the only way to get to this bar?
yeah.
Oh my
Well, it's not
goodness.
the only way. This is the better, smoother ride, believe it or not.
What?
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be a busy place, I think.
Yeah. Told you it's a little gnarly, right?
Oh, it's a little steep.
It's all good. All these other ATVs, they're coming from different directions over here.
Yeah.
That's the more gnarly road.
Ew.
You know what I mean?
Oh, we're finally just about there. That was a heck of a road. Oh. Drinking.
We are here, baby.
Wow, this place looks so interesting. You guys ready?
Oh yeah, I'm thirsty. Let's go.
Ready? Looks like a band is setting up. I think this is where the alcohol is.
Yeah.
I can't wait for the band to start. Well, that was definitely one heck of a ride to get out here. I'm so thankful for you guys driving, and thank you, Mark. Let's enjoy some margaritas.
Hey.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, there's even more parking out here. I know she's up. Oh, she's in behind that tree.
Way up there.
Been alright.